Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to select multiple images in Word to resize all selected. The first thing we will do is open the document. There you find the images to modify. After this, click on the first image. Then in the Picture Format menu, click on Wrap Text and select in front of text. You are going to click on the other image and from Wrap Text, select the option in front of text. This allows the images to move. After this, select an image, press the Control key on the keyboard, and click on the other image so you can see the selected images. When selected, use the corners to resize them. You will see that the adjustment applies to both images at the same time. Additionally, if you wish, with the images selected, you can change their size from the size field. Note that the change applies to all images simultaneously. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.